This is a recap on the $500 challenge. I've had one green day the first day, 2 red days, and 1 green day today. Okay, so you see on the bottom, $500 transfer. That's what I started with. First trade, I bought $437 worth of CELZ. That's why it's minus 437. Sold it for profit, bringing my account up to 581. Then brought IMMX, and that didn't turn out well. Lost about 30 bucks, bringing it down to 558. And also lost on EAR, bringing my account down to 517. Today I bought an option on Tesla, bought it at 330, sold it at 410, bringing my account up to 598. So recouping the losses and making more profit. It's 15% on the trade, which definitely helps out this small account. The mistake I made on IMMX, I was up 20 cents and I should really have just taken my profits. When you have such a small account, you got to take your small profits until you have more money to trade with. And EAR, it just didn't work out. I mean, that sometimes your trades aren't going to work out. IMMX, I thought I was in good position. I thought I was going to reverse and I was up 20 cents. I was correct, but I didn't take the profit. So today's trade was actually a really good trade. So this is Tesla. I bought a put. I saw it coming down to test those red dots, which are previous like weekly support. And then the trend, it started breaking the trend, that yellow line. And then it was downwards on the stochastic, downwards on the squeeze, below the moving averages. So I bought a put and my thesis was correct. You saw how much it dropped. And I made 80 something dollars on that trade, bringing my account up to 598. That was it. So thank you. See you on the next video.